Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
So this is the street that I just filmed not too long ago at nighttime. So now we're going to do a daytime one. And let's just see what the name of the street is. So it's actually called Shuixiangkou Street. And there's also Russian there too. Okay, so let's check out that street. Haikou, Hainan, China, up on the map. There we are. Let's narrow it down. So we're going to narrow it down so you can see exactly where the street that we're on, which is Shuixiangkou Street in the daytime. And if you saw my other Haikou, and if you didn't see it, I'll have it at the end in a little thumbnail so you can view it if you want. But I filmed at nighttime on the last video for Haikou, and this is going to be in the daytime. So anyways, this is what that's all about. And it's actually even better in the daytime, although it's cool at nighttime too. So anyways, I also have a set of Haikou, so I have at least another dozen to upload. Probably do a new one every 5 days, and then you'll have a whole set out there as well on YouTube. So let's just get into walk and talk, where you're going to hear me walk around and kind of feel as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let's go down and check this out. So we did this last night, so I'm going to go through it again. One of the things that's kind of interesting is just it's a Monday morning, and there's a lot of tourism here. And I was just thinking about the massive amounts of tourism that's occurring throughout China. Just their cities are they're just quite impressive, and I don't know, everything's just building so much, and it's been that way for the last I guess since the economic miracle started occurring about 15 years ago maybe. And we're still seeing tons and tons of changes and tourism. And cities in China are really beautiful. Like, they're really amazing. Let me just check this out real quick. There's also all these little things about Wenchang chicken. They were talking about that with Hainan. So it's Wenchang is another colonial city about 60, I think it's either 60 miles or 60 kilometers, about an hour, a little over an hour from here. You can take the bullet train there now. And I think Wenchang chicken is kind of the same as the Hainan chicken, I believe. It's like the ones that's cut with the bone a certain way. Like, sorry, I'm kind of distracted because I'm watching everything, but their Hainan chicken is, the bone is cut with a knife so that you have bone and fat and everything mixed in with it. Got lots of artists here. So yeah, these streets here are easy to film. Haikou is an easy city to film because there's a lot of walking streets. This whole area, we're just doing one, but there's a whole district here and lots of tourism too. So it's different than last night. Last night it seemed like more food and restaurants visibility. It's still here today too, but it seemed like there's more other stuff going on too. Like all those merchants up and down the street. Kind of looking forward to exploring some back alleys later. Yeah, there's one food I've been wanting to get over here. It's called like a mango shaved ice and mango or something like that. Oh, rice. I don't know if that's for the summer. A little bit chilly. But that one right there, it says Hainan snacks. That smells good too, right there. It's gonna keep on going down. This food smells good. Yeah, actually the other thing I was thinking about too is, having visited parts of Southeast Asia, they'll paint all these shop houses different colors, and this would be amazing if these were not white but like pastel colors, like what I see in Macau or Penang and Malacca, Singapore and such. Just kind of imagining that. That building's like Japan, those fire escapes. There's some nice art here too. Yeah, China is photogenic, easy to film. And later, I am gonna probably go down these little alleys later. I'm gonna find some interesting alleys to go down. I saw one that had a nice temple. I'll probably explore that later. But there's just kind of endlessly interesting stuff. Different directions to go. So anyways, this is the daytime video of this particular one. And I think the last Haikou one I uploaded would have been the night one, which would have been last night. Check it out, all the bikes are here. It's kind of a loud street. A lot of people around. How do you get through here? Okay, so we're kind of in a market area, but later, oh, they also have live fish. And there's also these other alleys that I want to explore later, so I'm just gonna go down because I'm kind of curious what this one looks like around the corner. Anyways, so yeah, kind of endlessly interesting. And I think this street is like I walked by last night and there was lots of like fish and different stuff. So I'll probably end up filming this one next. So subscribe and like the channel if you want to see. You can see some of the fish already right there. They got fresh fish. Okay, so we gotta navigate this. Reminds me of I used to live in Busan in the 1990s. Just kind of reminds me of that. So that was our street, and we're gonna do another street where I'm gonna walk down this one. There we go.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.